Waffles, let us play.
Whoa!
Waffles.
Whoa, she's getting Waggles. We're going to be testing out different presents you can give your dog for their birthday.
Because Waffles is turning, how old?
She's turning 2.
She's turning 2, and Wiggles just turned 10.
Yep, and Waggles is 6.
So we're going to test out some items. Up first is this fly.
Ooh, I know some people who might like that.
I don't know. Do you think they would like the fly? I don't know. So why don't you put it on the wall?
Fly on the wall.
All right, let's see what happens.
Oh, Wiggles got
Wiggles got it.
No, Wiggles.
All right, I got an idea. Why don't we put it?
Oh, Wiggles, you got it again.
Why don't we put it on the ramp? Let's see if they'll climb the ramp to get the fly. So not on the ramp. You got to put it on the second level. Ready? Guys, are you good?
Wiggles got it.
Wiggles, you got to put the fly down.
Wiggies.
Put the fly down, Wiggles.
Have it go down. Oh, Wiggles.
Wiggles.
Go down the ramp.
Oh, it says that. Put it up there. Maybe we can put it at the very top. Let's see if they'll climb up to get there.
Okay.
So we're going to put it at the top.
Whoa.
Level 3 of the dog fortress. Are you ready? All right. Waffles. I don't think they see it. Ready?
Go get it. It's up there. Oh, it fell.
I don't think the people at home can see it. So I think the fly was, hey, why don't we put it on this purple thing right down here?
Don't jump, Waffles.
And let's see what, oh, Wiggles got it.
Wiggles.
So I think that they really like the fly. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, so the fly is a winner.
On to the next item.
On to the next item. All right, so the fly, and we gotta actually put the fly like so they can't get to it at all. Otherwise they will. So guys, you ready for the next birthday present?
Yeah.
All right, ready? So here
We're ready.
The next birthday present is none other than
Oh!
a squeaky chicken. You wearing goggles? All right. Who would like the squeaky chicken?
Wiggles like it.
Ooh,
Waffles got it.
Waffles, you got the squeaky chicken? Can you make it squeak? Make it squeak, Waffles. Oh yeah, she likes it.
She's barking at it.
She's giving us some growls. All right, let's put it up on top and see if she'll go all the way to the top level. Right, so it's up there. She goes up to level 1. Oh, it's worthy of climbing all the way up. Good job.
Oh, Waggles. Oh, Wiggles.
Waggles and Wiggles. Wiggles will go up there. Waggles, what do you think?
She's bringing it back down.
Oh, she brought it down. Oh, are you going to bring it to Waggles?
She brought it to safety. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, next item.
So the next item is this fish tank with fake fish. It's actually a cat toy. All right, so here we have it. Look, guys, it's got a little fishy in it. It's got a fishy.
Waggles is drinking the water. They're drinking the water.
Wait a minute.
You guys are thirsty.
Wait, there's a fishy in there. Guys,
They're drinking the water.
No. You gotta play with the fish.
Now
the
the water's
fish.
all slobbery.
The fish. See the fish. Waffles.
Waffles, look at this.
Waffles,
Look at this, Waffles.
doesn't even care. Waffles, look at the fish.
Look at the water. You see it? Look at what Waggles. He's just drinking the water. Slow down, buddy.
Guys, this isn't how the toy works. All right.
And your ears are getting soaked.
I don't think this is a winner. What do you think?
No, maybe just a drinking bowl.
Drinking bowl's all it is. All right, next item. This item
You're thirsty, Waggles.
is for a cat. It is it's a mat, and you put this little toy in it, right?
Should I move the bowl?
We can move it. Waggles is like drinking tons of water.
He's
All right,
chugging.
so you put the mat down.
Is the toy in it?
The The toy's inside of it.
Is it on?
I think so.
Get it! Get the toy, Waffles!
Waffles, get the toy. Does anyone else want to play with it? Wait, where's the toy? The toy?
Somewhere in there.
It's right here. All right. Hold Waffles. So there's the toy. It goes inside. See, it's a little thing. And it goes inside. Like that. And then, trying to get out. And there it goes.
Go!
Wiggles, we can't see.
Wiggles, you're in the way.
Wiggles, you're blocking. You're blocking our view. Waggles, Waffles. Waffles, you want to get it? You gonna try to get out?
She's almost got it.
Waggles, you want to get out?
I think Waggles' favorite toy so far has been like the water bowl.
The water, where you just drink. All right, so why don't you put it nicely on the top level, and we'll see what they do. Waffles, you gotta let go. Waffles,
Let go, Waffles.
Waffles, you gotta let go.
Good girl.
We're gonna put it up on the top level, right here. So there it is.
And there she goes. Oh, it's right at the exit.
Oh, Waffles is trying to escape.
Get it, Waffles!
Oh, smile on her face. Get it, Waffles.
Hi, Wiggles.
So Wiggles is interested enough to go to the second level.
And Waggles is sleeping.
Waffles is like super excited. And then Waggles is down there just kind of like, whatever. Whatever. All right, so I think this is a winner too. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Even though it is designed for a cat, Waffles definitely likes it. Waffles, what do you think? Waffles likes it. All right, let's go back down. We're gonna look at the next thing we have. And the next thing is something that Waffles has already found. It's a cooling pad.
That's Waggles.
I'm sorry, Waggles has already found. Waggles, you are already on it.
And look, his like beard is soaked from the water bowl, so it got it wet.
Waggles, do you like the cooling pad?
Which is weird because he likes heating pads.
Waffles is just looking for the next one. Waffles, you looking for the next thing? So Waffles is looking for the next thing, right? Wiggles is interested. Waggles is just like, I found a nice cool spot to lay down. All right.
She hears something.
She hears this toy. She hears this item going. So we'll turn that off.
Waffles, look! Waffles, look right here!
The next item isn't for dogs. It's from the movie Frozen 2.
Whoa, high pitch! Whoa, high pitch! Oh my goodness!
All right, let's see if
your
it'll
hearts
climb.
are so high pitched right now.
Hold it. We'll see if it'll climb up
I'm
the
holding
ramp.
her back. I can't hold Wiggles back though.
All right, we got it on the ramp. Wiggles, let it go. All right, ready? Let the Waffles down. See what happens.
Ah! Whoa, where are you going with that thing?
Waffles, what are you doing? Waffles?
You like it, Waffles? Oh yeah, she likes
Let's see if it'll run away. Wiggles, you keep standing in front of the camera. That makes for bad video. Wiggles, you're right in front of the camera.
it. He's only in front of the camera when it's... Ah!
Oh, I can't even put it down. Waffles, Waffles, let us play.
Whoa!
Waffles!
Whoa, she's getting Waggles.
Waggles is like, I didn't sign up for this. So what do you think? You think she likes it?
Oh yeah, she won't even let go of it.
Waffles, you gotta let go.
Ah, let go, Waffles.
Okay, let's see if the next item will get her to let go.
Oh.
And the next item is, boom.
Ooh,
It's a giant
water pad.
water pad.
Wiggles is scratching at it. Get it, Wiggles. Get it, Wiggles. Get it, Wiggles.
It's got little fish inside of it and everything.
I think Waggles would use this as a bed because it's cool.
So look, what do you guys think? Is that a fun item?
Ooh, Wiggles is standing on it. Get the fishies.
Get the fishies.
Get the fishies, Waffles. Oh yeah.
Oh, Wiggs. Yeah, Wiggs.
Get it, Wiggles.
Get it. Play with it. What would happen if I threw a treat on it? They walk on it.
Waffles annihilates a treat. Get the fishies! Get the fishies!
I don't know. That's a winner, assistant. What do you think?
Wiggles likes it.
Wiggles kind of likes it. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
The next one is this little treat carousel. So you take it and you open it up like that, and we've got some treats. And we just put some treats inside. And then let's see if they like. What do you think, Was? All right, guys. What do you think? You gonna play get the treats?
Get it, Wiggles. What in the world? Wiggles, push it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's actual treats in that thing.
Oh, one came out.
Oh yeah, Wiggles is eating it. Roll it toward Waffles and see if she even sees it.
Push it, Waffles. Push it. Good girl. Oh, a treat came out.
Oh, she got a treat. And oh, I think they're at least interested in it.
Yeah. Wiggles seems very protective of it. I heard a little growl from him.
Oh, okay. So we probably
There we go. They're really slow eaters, or at least Wiggles is.
Yeah. Waggles seems unimpressed. Wiggles is like guarding it.
Waffles is trying to get the chicken.
Waffles sees the chicken up here and wants the chicken. All right, we ready for the next item?
Yeah!
All right, so the next item is something I think they're gonna like. Ready, Waffles? You ready for the next item? What do you think, Waffles? You ready?
We're ready, Waffles.
This time we got corn on the cob.
Squeak it.
Go get that corn on the cob.
What? Waffles.
I don't think it's a winner, assistant.
We know it's not real food, Waffles, but still.
We're gonna put the
What
treats
about
on.
Waggles? Waggles, you want it?
Yeah,
Kind of hard to squeak.
it really is kind of hard. I think the corn's not gonna work. All right, what about these guys right here? It's a fox and
Something else.
some kind of animal.
Oh, Waggles! Look at him.
Oh, Waggles! Wait, you guys can't see. Waggles was excited. Ready?
They both went for the same one. Ah! Go!
Throw one on top and see what happens.
Ready? 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 Go!
It's on top. Throw the other one on top so they can see it. Go get it.
Waffles has seen it. Oh, there goes Waggles.
They're right there. Oh, you found it, Waggles. Good job.
Waggles, you gotta go up the second ramp. Come on. Oh, did you see her? Yay, Waggles!
I think we found something that Waggles kind of likes. Get it, Waggles.
Get it, Waggles.
Oh, somebody else is going up there to get it.
Wheels, you gotta go on this ramp.
Waggles, what do you think?
I think he likes it. This is an approved toy for Waggles.
Okay, the next toy is something that they've already seen before for this present. Okay, so here we go, guys. Waffles is anxiously waiting. This next one.
Ooh, Waffles already knows what it is.
It's Blizzard!
This has appeared in many videos.
Oh look, at least he's standing on the mat.
Yeah.
Get it, Wiggs. Oh, it came down. Waffles, Waggles is like, Waggles is like, it's just that put it at the very top. Let's see if we can get it to like climb all the way down. Put it up there. You gotta be careful so Waffles. Uh-oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Wiggles is gonna get it.
He's gonna get it to push it. It's upside down. Oh, Wiggle. It's coming for Waggles.
Waggles is definitely less than excited. Wiggles is gonna destroy it.
Okay, they like this one.
They like, let's play that one more time. Oh, I think the battery went out.
Okay, Wiggles, let's go.
So, if we were to rank them, what would be number one?
Probably the lizard.
Probably the
Then the
gecko.
fly.
Then the fly. And then what do you people at home think? I
Then
think,
the bag thingy.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, then that.
Wiggles and Waffles really like this bag thing, doesn't it? So, as I said, we found things that I think the dogs will enjoy.
Yeah, definitely.
And Waggles' favorite was what?
The cooling pad or
These little squeaky toys.
yeah, or these. Well,
Although they're not
seems
super excited.
preoccupied.
Alright, so what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. What do you think, Waffles? Did you enjoy it? You enjoy the video? Probably. Okay.